actually start even closer to the I got the fire on the double. I got the fire on the double. I done gal with the ass with the bubble. I got the fire on the doubles.
Alright guys, part 2. So I got caught with a little bit of a bug for making music when I did my first season of Line with Ling. Now I'm taking it all the way. I'm building myself my own studio, and follow me through. Let's do it together. So actually I built this room here, and I put 2-inch R7 foam, and inside I insulated bottom layer. There's another piece of soundproof drywall. So right now I'm just gonna finish it up, put some compound on it, guys. Yeah, believe it or not, this is what I used to do before. So I'm gonna put some compound, then we're gonna sand it, paint it to make it look real nice. Follow along. And here's the paper tape we'll be using to cover the joint. Alright guys, that's about it. All the joints are now completely finished, and first layer done. We have to put about 2-3 layers on before we be able to sand and paint it. But yeah boys, what a weird coincidence that my past job come in such handy right now. So check out all these seams, and we're gonna paint it and follow along for the next time. Let's go to the truck.